This is MOTOROLA Moto E13, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can check how much random access memory you've got on this device. So the first step that we will need to take is to make the developer options section visible, which you can do by going into settings, then enter the about phone category, and at the very bottom of the about phone page you'll find the build number section, which you want to tap on multiple times until you'll receive the "you are now a developer" message. Then get back to general settings page, re-enter the system category, and as you can see over here we have the developer options now. So we'll go for the developer settings page, and in here at the memory field you'll be able to see how much RAM you have in general and how much of it is being averagely used. You can set the time frames for which you would like to check the average RAM use. So you can either go with the value of 3, 6, 12 hours or even an entire day. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.